In this lecture, you will learn how to create an Apple TV distribution provisioning profile so that you can publish your apps and games to the Apple TV iTunes App Store. First of all, I want you to go to the developer.apple.com website and make sure you log in using your Apple ID. If you don't have your iOS certificate, your iOS developer certificate, now is the time to create one. Then go to Member Center and once you're there, you need to click on Certificates, Identifiers and Profiles. Once you're there, click on Certificates and create a production certificate if you do not have one already. Now, I will not drive you through the steps of creating a production certificate because I have plenty of other lectures on how to create distribution certificates. You just click on plus and go through the keychain, but I'm not going to go through that. Now, what I want you to have first is make sure you have your Apple TV device added already. You should see it here. If not, make sure to look at the lectures on how to add it here. Next, you want to go to the provisioning profiles, click on distribution. Right here, I want you to click on the plus to add a provisioning profile. Now, select under distribution, select TV ad hoc or Apple TV App Store, depending on what you want to do. I'm going to select the App Store so that we can send apps and publish them to the iTunes App Store. Now, if you're not planning on putting on the iTunes App Store but putting it for enterprises, do TV OS ad hoc. Click on continue and select any of the app IDs that you should already have. I'm going to use a generic one that I have. And by the way, if you do not have one, you can always create one under identifiers, app IDs, all right? And now click on continue. Select the distribution profile that you want to use. I happen to have two, so I'm going to use this one right here. And I'm going to click on continue. All right, I'm going to give it a name. I'm going to call this one Apple TV Distrib Wild. Wild because it's a wildcard. I can use it for multiple apps. And click on Generate. Alright, at this point click on Download. And once you have it, I want you to click on it. You should see it here. Click on it. And as soon as you click on it, Xcode will pop because it's adding it to Xcode. Now, another way to add it through Xcode is to go to Xcode, Preferences, select your Apple ID, and if you do not see it here, click on plus, then click on View Details. And right here, you should see your provisioning profile. It's about to appear here, it just takes a while. There we go. Apple Watch Production, there it is. Alright, so that's it. At this point, you have it. Now, if you want to use it, click on your project name, then go to Build Settings, locate the code signing place, and under Provisioning Profile, under the release, select the Apple TV Distrib that we just created, and then for the release code signing identity, select the iPhone distribution one. Alright, and there you go. Now you are ready to select your Apple TV and do a product archive to send it to publishing in the iTunes App Store for the Apple TV. Take care.